everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Deena if you're new here. In today's video I am going to do an easy natural makeup tutorial. I usually like watching those videos on YouTube, or like videos where I can like kind of have like a makeup tutorial that won't take me too long to do in the morning. And yeah, so this is what this is going to be. So I already washed my face. I usually use Clarins. I usually use Clarins to wash my face. That's the brands I've been using, but I ran out, so I've been using Clean and Clear, the orange one. Actually, I should probably go grab it. So I use this. This is a Clean and Clear Morning Burst Facial Cleanser, oil-free with bursting beads, wakes you up, rinse clean with vitamin C and ginseng. Anyways, so this is what that is. I actually love this. It really does wake you up in the morning. I like the bursting beads. So yes, this is what I used. So I already washed my face. Now I'm actually gonna go in with one of my favorite moisturizers. It's the e.l.f. Daily Hydration Moisturizer. It looks like this. Sorry, it's a little dirty because it was in my makeup bag. But that's what that is. If I want to focus. Okay, so it is winter months, so you kind of like want to be pretty generous on your face. I already washed my hands. Always wash your hands. You don't want to have, you know, dirty hands in your face. If I'm looking over here, it's because I have the mirror over here. So yeah. So get your neck. So I'm gonna go ahead and moisturize my face. Make sure you always get your neck. Always moisturize your neck. Alright, so for this makeup tutorial, it's really easy to the point that I probably only use like 4 products. I use the, I'm gonna have everything linked down the description box for you. The Essence Volume Booster Lash Primer. It is literally the holy grail. It really does what it's supposed to. It has super fruits. It does help strengthen my lashes. It has oil in it, and I'm telling you, I haven't had any lash fallout with it. It's amazing. So this is what that looks like. And mascara. So I probably only have like a few products. Boy Brow by Glossier. e.l.f. liner. Of course, to brush your brows, you need this. So I'm gonna go ahead and brush your brows. So I go ahead and I brush them. I will like doing my eyebrows first. Alright. Then I'm gonna go ahead and take the Glossier Boy Brow. This is in the shade brown. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Alright. So then go ahead and do that. And then I usually let it dry for a little bit. Make sure it's like nice and dry. Then I go ahead with the brush and I kind of like go up on the brows. And down. I can't explain it. I can't stress enough to you how important your brows are. Like, they're just like so important. I don't usually wear foundation when I go to work, just because I don't know. I feel like foundation really does like close up your pores and you just let your skin breathe. So I don't usually use foundation, but you can. What I use for my foundation, if I were to go ahead and put it, it's so good. I love this. This is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation in cream beige medium. That's how that one looks like. I actually love this. It doesn't actually close up my pores. It lets my skin breathe. It's really good and I love it, and I totally recommend it, but I just don't wear foundation when I go to work and everything. And plus it's supposed to be an easy tutorial. So really, it's really more about the eyes than anything else. So when I'm done with the eyebrows, I take the e.l.f. eyeliner. It's in the black. It's the waterproof liner. It looks like this. I absolutely love it. It is waterproof. It really doesn't budge. It's really good. It's like really cheap. So I think it's like $3. So I'm gonna go ahead and just line the top out of my line and just do it that way. And that's usually enough to pull it, just so that way I can get like a precise line. Disclaimer, guys, I am not a makeup artist, but there's that. See how I kind of like always go a little bit more, but like it's not on purpose. Like I don't actually purposely like, ooh, let's do a wing. So that's what that one eye is, and this is the other eye. Actually, to be honest, I actually learned how to do my eye makeup by Paris Jackson. She did this one makeup tutorial, and I actually love that makeup tutorial. And I learned how to do my eye makeup through there. So unfortunately, I did kind of create a wing to my eye. But again, it's just because I had to fill it in and stuff. So you can create a wing to your eye if you want to. So that's how I do my wing. I usually kind of like go a little bit and then it kind of creates that. So I kind of have to finish it. It's nothing on purpose. And then I go ahead and I put on this stuff. This is the primer. I told you about it. It's so good. And it goes on like, this is the tip of it. If you look at it, it's so good. See, that was so much. But yeah. Sorry if that you heard the noise in the back. That's just my boyfriend coming in, and my mom and his mom. They're coming in from the gym. We put the primer on. I have white lashes. Alright, and then I go ahead and I go in with this. This is, it's called the Works Wow Effect All-in-One Mascara. It's by Collab. It's in the color Extreme Black, and it's waterproof, and it's really good. I love this. I don't experience any fallout with it, and this is the tip of it. If you look at it, that's the tip. It's a little clumpy. I can tell for some reason if I go ahead and put it this way, it's a little bit better. And just do it that way. Then I go ahead and just shimmy it up. And I like it a lot. It does give me the volume, the length that I need. So there's that. You don't always have to like wipe it off. You can always just let it dry, and then you can just flake it off if you have to. And then there you go. And no joke, guys, that's the makeup look. And that's it. And obviously for chapstick, I like for the morning routine, I can do like a morning routine with you guys, but like for my morning routine, I like kind of moisturize with the e.l.f. and the AO. I actually love the AO. And yeah, that's basically my makeup look. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, and you'd like to see more of these, please comment down below. And yeah, and I'll see you in my next video. Okay. Love you guys, bye.